Hey guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you some of the top add-ons and must-have add-ons for your OBS. So let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing I'm going to show you, and this is the reason I've stayed on the screen, is Stream FX. And what it is, it's an add-on free you can download. The link will be in the description. As you can see in the background, you can't see it, that's the idea. It is a blurred effect. You can add blurred effects, you can add different effects onto your stream that OBS does not normally have. So guys, this is Stream FX. You can download it over here. Let's download the file. This link will be in the description. And what you want to go and do is head over to your OBS file, whatever it is. So guys, for instance, as you can see here, I've got a media source. You right click, press filter, and you can add an effect. For instance, you can use the blur effect. We're just going to add this. So this is the box effect. I normally use the occasion, and you can see over here now in the background it's blurring out as much as you want or how much as you need it. Alright, you can change it by the box effect, you can change different things that you can do to change the blur and how you want it to look for your stream. This is the main feature I use of this, so go guys, get it downloaded and go get it checked out. The next plugin I use an awful lot is the multi-stream plugin. It's called Multi RTMP, and what this does is you can have multiple outputs from your stream on OBS to multiple different platforms. I have got a different video on this, which will be in the description as well for more detail. All you got to do is press download it, and it's the most simplest thing to plug in the world. You literally download it and it's there. What you can do, you can add a target where you do the name, you put the server, and you put the your stream key in, just like this. So as you can see, I've got my server, I've got stream key, which will be blurred out obviously. As you can see, all the settings then are pulled from OBS. The one thing with this is it can add a little bit of strain onto your PC simply because you're doubling the bitrate, you're doubling the usage. If you're streaming to 3, you're tripling it. You know what I mean? And so on and so on and so on. So guys, be careful with it, but it is an absolute insane plugin and it's free. Hey guys, so this is the last plugin that you will have to download in this video, and this is called Lower Third. And what this does is promote your social medias or promote anything you want in a very professional and simple way, and it's free. So let's go ahead and check it out on OBS. So guys, for this one I'm going to have to use my OBS simply because I want to show you how it works. Down the bottom by here, you will see the lower third. Each lower third is its own entity, okay? So you can have different lower thirds for different things. Say if you've got a gaming channel, a football channel, and a racing channel, you can have different social media set up for different ones, okay? So it's not 4 things you can add up to 9 or 10 things by here. So as you can see, my one has my YouTube, I've got my Kick, I've got my Facebook, and I've got my TikTok. All that is playing down the bottom here every single time throughout on a loop. You change these loops down here. So mine takes 2 seconds to come in, stays for 4 seconds, out for 1 second. And it goes on a loop like that all stream. So guys, please get to use it. It's free, you don't have to pay for it, and you can set multiple ones if you do have multiple streams for different things. So the last one is actually built into OBS, and not a lot of people know about this. It's probably one of the most fundamental things for content creators who stream to get top quality clips, and that is the replay buffer. The replay buffer is built into the settings of your output. So if you go to settings, output, replay buffer, tick enable, and set how many seconds you want the previous to capture, and then that will do it. So for instance, say if you've done an insane play, you can clip the last 60 seconds on that, and then you'll be able to put that into a reel, a short, or anything you want, or even put it on YouTube as a normal clip. To clip it, all you got to do is set it to a keybind, whether that's on a keyboard or a pedal, or you can add it to your Stream Deck, like you can see on screen now, with the Stream Deck button built-in feature for OBS. So guys, if this video has helped you, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and share with a mate if this can help them. And any questions, please drop in the comments. Don't be afraid, guys. Try things new. Take care. Much love. Peace.